Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. And today's video, I'm going to show you how I make those simple but delicious plantain cup with ground beef stuffing. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you must do is wash your plantain, make sure it's clean. Use your knife to slice your plantain, then remove the skin off. Next, I am cutting the plantain into 4 pieces, but you can go ahead and cut it into any size you desire. The first step you're going to do here is fry them for about 5 or 6 minutes, then remove them from the oil. And you're going to use your lime or lemon squeezer. If you are enjoying today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to add some water, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of seasoning to soak the plantain in, but this is optional. You can do it the other. To avoid the plantain from sticking in the squeezer, make sure you spray inside of it. Remember to check the description box below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Or you can do it the other way Just sprinkle a little salt over the plantain, just how I'm doing it right here. Either optional. For the final step, I'm going to add it back in the oil, remove it after 5 minutes. And this is how they turn out, beautiful and crispy. Quick and easy. For the stuffing, I'm going to use this amazing ground beef. And for garnishing, I'm using ketchup and parsley. Thank you, everyone, for your precious time. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibes.